Summer's up there.
Summer.
Well, open.
Open the box. You want some help?
Can I help you?
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wow.
What did you get, David?
Fireman coat.
A fireman coat. He can't open it anyway. We'll let him help since he's...
David's already showed it.
Yummy. Thank you, Santa.
What did you get?
Little summer grace satchel with a butterfly.
How much stuff Santa's got in the car? It's okay. You don't have to go. You don't have to go chasing us.
Yes. That's right.